Start. What is the order of symmetry, order of rotational symmetry of the given figure? This is the given figure and order of rotational symmetry. Firstly, what is symmetry? Symmetry means that one shape becomes exactly like another when you move it in some way, turn, flip or slide. Here, in simple terms, I will explain you. This is A. If you fold this A on this line, both the parts will exactly match. Similarly over here, if you fold this figure on this trapezium, we call it, on this line, these things will exactly match. That is the meaning of symmetry. If you stand in front of the mirror, you will exactly match. That is symmetry. So coming back, rotational symmetry. What is rotational symmetry? Firstly, what are the types of symmetry? Here, there are three types of symmetry. Generally, in fact, there are more than 8 to 10 types of symmetry. But for generally 90% where whatever is used is like this. There are three types of symmetry. Well, first is line symmetry. Means if you fold it from ear to ear along this line, it will exactly match. Next is point symmetry. Point means this is a point. If you put it upside down, means reverse this on this point, then it will be the same. Suppose if you reverse this n from ear to ear and this, then it will be exactly the same. And third is rotational symmetry. Means if you cut it from anywhere, it will look the same. So that is rotational symmetry. Here there is a slight difference between point and rotational. Point means only 180 degrees. We have to move it upside down. Rotational means any degree less than 360 degrees. So that is the only difference. So for this figure we want rotational symmetry, means any degree less than 360. If you rotate it, then it should look the same. Now how to find the rotational symmetry of this figure? Here. What is rotational symmetry? How to formula? You can also find the order of rotational symmetry by knowing the smallest angle you can rotate the shape through to look the same. It means this is the figure. Through which angle, lowest angle, can I rotate so that it looks the same? Let's try. Let's try with 90 degrees first to the left. See, the figure looks like this. Is this the same as the original figure? See this, I have placed both side by side. Is this the same as this one? No. The line is over here and the line is over here. So 90 degrees left? No. Now what we'll do? We'll rotate this figure by 180 degrees. When you rotate this 180 degrees, the figure looks like this. Is this the same? Yes. So the minimum angle by which you can rotate it so that the figure looks exactly the same is 180 degrees. Now how to find the degree then, or order of the rotational symmetry? Here it's quite simple. Divide 360 by the minimum angle. So in our case the minimum angle is 180. So 360 upon 180 equals to 2. So the degree of order of rotational symmetry is 2 in this figure. Now what is the order of symmetry of this sunflower? You rotate it through any degrees, it will always look the same. So 360 upon 360 equals to 1. Sorry. 360 upon, what is the minimum angle? You rotate it through 1 degree also. Then also it is 360 upon 1 equals to 360. What is the order of symmetry of this flower? 360 divided by how many angles, through how many degrees should it be rotated? 120 degrees, because there are 3 petals. So 360 upon 3, that is 120 degrees. So order of symmetry over here will be 3, because 360 upon 120 degrees. For the starfish, through how many degrees should it be rotated so that it looks the same? Through 90 degrees minimum angle. So 360 upon 90, that is order is 4. For this 360 upon 5, right? The degree of rotation, rotational symmetry is 5 over here, because through 72 degrees we will have to rotate this. For this, here it depends on the number of petals. 3 plus 3, 6 and 7. So just divide it, and that many degrees you will have to rotate. Then 360 upon that angle, you will get the degree of rotational symmetry. For this figure, you will have to rotate it 360 degrees. Only then it will look the same. So 360 upon 360 is only 1 degree of rotation.